Good morning, Hello Kitty Warriors. Good morning, Ninja Kittens. It's Sandy Alice House bringing you love, light, and Sandy's Silly Sound sun salutation covered in chocolate with wings this morning. Wearing my, oh no, it's my cow skirt. I wonder what our cow noises are going to sound like today. I got my Hello Kitty scarf. We're ready to go. Meow. We've got our cow skirt. We're ready to go. And we're going to bark like a dog. And we're going to sound like and look like a cobra. This is Sandy's Silly Sound Sun Salutation, which is actually animal yoga and primal yoga all mixed into one. And it's magical, it's mystical, it's just like you. So let's do Sandy's Silly Sound Sun Salutation with wings covered in chocolate. The Cocoa Dream Hydrating Mask, that is. There we go. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Let your wings just fall back behind you. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now we're going to forward fold, and we gently come down one little vertebrae at a time. One little vertebrae at a time. You just come down as far as you can go. If you don't touch the floor, that's okay. After you touch your toes, you can touch your elbows and come down a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. You just do a forward fold. That shows your wings off. Now, what kind of wings you've got today? Now, your right foot goes back, your left foot comes forward, and we are in lunge pose. Now we're in lunge. Now you always want your foot to be right above your ankle. You don't want to have an acute angle, no more than 90 degrees. There you go. That feels just right. Now we're going to do our high plank. There we go. We are in high plank. We are a chocolate-covered sun salutation with wings in high plank. Now we're going to go into low plank. All right, now we're in low plank. So the first thing we're going to do is lie on the floor. Then we're going to hiss like a cobra. And let's just lie on the floor. And just relax and breathe out. When we breathe in, we're going to hiss. Actually, breathe out, we're going to hiss. So just breathe in deep. And this is Cobra Pose. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now cat pose. Meow. Moo. Meow. Moo. Meow. Moo. Meow. Moo. Now we're in downward facing dog. And next we're going to walk the dog and recite fetch with me. Are you ready? Life is roof. When I'm home alone, I just bark at the mailman. But then my human comes home and we run, and pat, pat, pat. My human likes to throw sticks. And I bring him back. We go inside and I get my ears scratched. We have a howling good time. Right foot forward. We're in our forward lunge now. Breathe in, and breathe out. Now we are in our forward bend. Now we're going to very slowly come up, one little vertebrae at a time. One little vertebrae at a time. And we're going to stretch out in and let our wings fall behind us. And we're going to go into our back bend. And we're going to look up at the star, the sun, and at the rainbows, and the butterflies, and the birds. Oh, my God, they're so beautiful. Breathe in. And breathe out. Oh, my God. Thank you for joining me in Sandy's Silly Sound Sun Salutation with wings covered in chocolate. You Hello Kitty warriors out there, have fun. Be your best, do your best, and thrive on.